Introducing the Seagull 1963 Blue Panda Sports Edition. Opening the box, we can find the warranty and instruction cards. Very useful. Let's take out the watch. This one is a real showstopper. Look at that sunburst Blue Panda dial. Isn't it amazing? The choice of steel hands is very smart. It fits the sporty aesthetic of the watch. The fully polished case, with a 42mm diameter, is accomplished by a soft, luxurious NATO strap. The ST19 movement is a true showstopper and looks like $1 million. The Blue Panda Sports Edition has a 42-hour power reserve, making it very convenient as a daily wearer. If you are looking for a more sporty version of the 1963, definitely consider it.